6.9 seconds ahead of Slovakia. Women from the US have collected quite a few penalties. They have a much faster raw time. At the top of the course, we have Switzerland. Looking cool, calm, and collected. At the top of the course, they're allowing plenty of space for each other. Very tidy spin in gate 8 from the lead paddler. It's one of the nicest I've seen, jumping over the wave before spinning. Bit of strategic time spent in the eddy for the third paddler, but these women are up on the split. A little difficulty for the lead paddler going for the switch a bit early on that spin and doing so well to stay on the wave, going back for it and actually not costing her team any time at all. Such a good backup plan there. Third boat shooting across the wave a little further than ideal, but hopefully not touching that gate 14 so she can still go back for gate 13. It's coming a little unstuck for these paddlers. They had such a fantastic top half of the course. The United States currently in the lead. Switzerland doing what they can about that. Still incredibly far up on the splits. A little spread out at the bottom, but the third paddler still absolutely charging to that finish line. These women are likely going into third position with a strong lead ahead of the US. 142.93 into the lead.